show it to you. Right there. See it in the background? That's a cargo ship. Way out there. Well, thanks so much, everybody, for being here. The flag is South Korea, at least. Oh, okay. Sea car, yeah. Yep. Sea car. Whoops, I'm sorry, you guys. Yeah, I don't know what they're doing. I don't know. Anybody know anything about this stuff? The makings of a beach? I don't know. I don't know what they're doing. But they're right here by our lighthouse. Right there. Oh, we got a boat coming in. Ready? We got a guy down here. We got a lady over here taking selfies. I don't do selfies. Look at all the penguins, you guys. Look at them all around the lighthouse. You see them? They're all penguins. Cool, huh? You guys, this morning there was 2 geese or 2 ducks or some type of bird, and they came right at us in the patio and went right over top of where we were sitting this morning. Honestly, it is in the first like 10 seconds of this morning's live. If you could, please go back and look at it if you like birds like that. They are making noises and they fly right over top of us, and they're beautiful. I went back and looked, and I showed my husband. I'm like, look at these birds. It was right as soon as it started. So if you like birds, take a look. Bye, Alfredo. Alfredo! I'm going to reach home now, shower, continue studying, talk later, Kelly, Coco, Sugar, and Tina. Bye, Alfredo. Thank you so much for being here, my friend. I have to go, Kelly. Have fun, everyone. It's 10 p.m. Oh, Ann, thanks again for coming back. Have a good night, Ann. Have a good night's sleep, girl. Coco says bye, Ann. Bye, Ann. Bye, Alfredo. Thank you so much for being. My internet is going out again. What is up with this? Oh, here comes another boat. There's the police straight out there. Hi, Stitching It Up, Capturing Country Life. Welcome, girl. Hi, Elisa. Haha, got it right this time. Don't forget, you guys, check out Stitching It Up, Capturing Country Life. Not only check out her channel, but check out her trivia on Thursday. Thursday, noon Eastern time. Adjust your time accordingly. Hello, Tasso, my friend. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. Hold on. Sorry about that, you guys.